Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Team. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to open a Discord account in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tech Team. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your Discord app. Now press on register. Give your phone number or email address. Here I'm giving my email address. Press on next. Now give your display name. Now click on next. Confirm your username and put your password. Now give your date of birth. Press on confirm. Now press on create an account. Now press on allow. Now verify your phone number. Now choose your profile picture. That's it. So this is how to create a Discord account in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.